Hello children, today I am going to explain numerical questions based on kinetic energy for class 9. Good morning students, today I am going to solve numericals that is based on kinetic energy, and it is the topic of work, energy and power. Okay, so we will solve numericals step by step according to topic. So let's we start. First numerical that is based on kinetic energy. How fast should a man of mass 60 kg run so that his kinetic energy is 750 joule? Students, first point you have to write in your mind. Before solving any numericals, you have to write the given to find using formula. After these 3 points, you have to solve numericals. आप सबको पता है, हम खाना बनाने से पहले जब जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं वो सामने रखते हैं, जिससे हमको पता होता है कौन कौन से इंग्रेडिएंट्स में यूज़ होने वाले हैं. आपके सामने रहेंगे तो आपको याद रहेगा, कहीं कोई मिस ना हो जाए. वैसे ही आपको गिवन दैट में सब कुछ लिख देना है क्या क्या क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है, और आपको क्या निकालना है वो टू फाइंड में आपको लिख लेना है. और कौन सा फॉर्मूला आपके माइंड में चल रहा है इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए वो भी आपको साइड में लिख लेना है, जिससे आपके माइंड में कोई भी चीज़ स्किप ना हो सॉल्व करते टाइम. फिर हम सॉल्व करेंगे. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन मास ऑफ मैन इज 60 kg, so m is equal to 60 kg, and kinetic energy is 750 joule, so kinetic energy is 750 joule, and you have to find the how fast means velocity of the man. Here we will use a formula, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So we will put the value of m and kinetic energy, and we will find the v. So kinetic energy is 750, mass is 60, and we have to find v. So after putting the value, we get 750 is equal to 60 by 60 into v square. After cancelling, we get 30, and after transferring, we get 750 upon 30. So here after cancelling, we get 25, and when square is transferred, so it will be a square root of 25. जब भी square transfer होगा क्या बन जाएगा, square root. तो square root of 25 is 5. So here speed or velocity of a man is 5 meter per second. तो आपको आंसर लास्ट में लिखना है स्टेटमेंट के साथ. हियर speed or velocity of a man is 5 meter per second. Now next, second numerical, find the mass of the body which has 5 joule of kinetic energy which moving at a speed of 2 meter per second. Here I am not writing a given that to find. I am starting from using formula, but you have to write, children, before solving any numericals, given that to find using formula. After that you will solve. So here I am starting from using formula. So we know that kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. देखते इसमें क्या क्या दिया. अब फाइंड द मास ऑफ द बॉडी, तो आपको मास फाइंड करना मतलब m फाइंड करना है. हियर kinetic energy is 5 joule, so we will put the value, and it is a half, and mass is not given because we have to find, but speed is given, so mass will be m, speed is the 2. So we get 2 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा, 4m upon 2, it is a 5 joule. So we get 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, so 5 is equal to 2m. Again we will transfer 2 in this side, so we get m is equal to 5 by 2, so it will be 2.5 kg. So mass is 2.5 kg. Now we see the third numericals. A player kicks a ball of mass 250 gram at the center of a field. The ball leaves his foot with a speed of 10 meter per second. Find the work done by the player on the ball. So you have to find work done. It means energy. Firstly, we have to write which is how many physical quantities given. ओके कितने फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज में दिए हुए हैं मास गिवन है मतलब फर्स्ट चीज दिया हुआ है एंड speed is also given here 10 meter per second and we have to find only the work done is energy when mass is given speed is given so we can use a formula of kinetic energy so again I am starting from using formula but firstly we have to check units are in SI system or not meter per second of the SI unit of velocity but gram is not in SI system of as a system unit of mass. So here we will convert gram into kilogram. So mass is 250 gram and we know that students 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So when we will convert gram into kg so it will be 250 divided by 1000. So it is converted into kg. We get नीचे 2 0 है so we will get 0.25 kg. It is the mass of that ball 0.25 kg. आपको आता है डेसिमल लगाने 250 को 1000 से डिवाइड किए 0 0 कैंसिल हुआ नीचे 2 0 है इसलिए ऊपर हम 2 डिजिट के पहले पीछे से डिजिट काउंट करते हैं 1 2 फिर आप डेसिमल पुट करो इट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ मास नाउ V is also given that is 10 meter per second and now this value we will put in formula. So kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So kinetic energy is converted into work done. जितनी एनर्जी आप उतना ही काम करते हो तो आपको एनर्जी निकालने बोले या वर्क डन निकालने बोले आप दोनों में से कुछ भी वैल्यू को एनर्जी फॉर्मूले में पुट कर सकते हैं हाफ वैल्यू ऑफ m is 0.25 वैल्यू ऑफ v is 10 डायरेक्ट जूल लिख सकते हो आपको एनर्जी निकालना है 10 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 100 डिवाइड बाई 2 25 को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2500 होगा फिर 2 डिजिट के पहले डेसिमल लगा देते हैं और डेसिमल के बाद 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती सो W इज इक्वल 25/2 जूल आफ्टर कैंसिलेशन वी गेट आप सबको कैंसिल करने आता होगा 25/2 को सो वी गेट 2 1 जा 2 कैंसिल हुआ 5 कैंसिल करेंगे तो 2 2 जा 4 2 5 जा 10 so here we get work done is equal to 12.5 joule. Again we see the example number numerical number 4 and this question is a body of mass 5 kg initially at rest is subjected to a force of 20 Newton. What is the kinetic energy? In this question, what is the kinetic energy acquired by the body at the end of 10 seconds? So in this question, force is given and time is given and mass is also given. But we have to find kinetic energy. So here no relation between force and kinetic energies. Now we have to find the value of V because kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So firstly we have to find velocity. Let me write the given that is Mass is given, so it will be 5 kg. So force is also given, that is 20 Newton. In first line, a body of mass 5 kg initially at rest. In first sentence, it is given that object is at rest. So initial velocity, it means u will be 0. And time is also given, that is 10 seconds. Is that clear, students? So firstly we have to find v, but force and m, through force and m we can find the acceleration, because force is equal to ma. Force आपकी माँ है, so a is equal to f by m. Now value of f is 20, value of m is 5, so we get 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. आपको सारे के सारे फिजिकल क्वांटिटी के यूनिट्स याद होने चाहिए. कभी कभी न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन में हमको पता नहीं होता क्या चीज़ दिया है, तो हम क्वेश्चन का यूनिट देख के भी गेस कर सकते हैं. हाँ, इट इज़ गिवन इन दैट क्वेश्चन. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो एक्सेलरेशन इज 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. सो with the help of acceleration we can find the velocity. So what is the formula of velocity? From first equation of motion, so what is the first equation of motion, students? That is v is equal to u plus at. So here v is the v, u is the 0, because object is initially at rest, because object was initially at rest. And a is the 4 and t is, we have already note down, t is the 10. T is 10. V is the v, u is the 0, a is the 4, t is the 10. So here we get v is equal to 40 meter per second. So here v is the 40 meter per second, and m is also given, that is 5 kg. So we will put the value in the formula. So kinetic energy is half mv square. So now after putting the value of mass is 5 kg. So here mass is 5 kg, v is the 40, square of 40, 5 into 5, 5 into 40 into 40, because square of 40 is written in the form of expand form. So it will be 40 into 40. जितना पावर होता है उतने बार वो लिखाता है, आपको पता होना चाहिए. Okay children, so we get after cancellation 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 0, 40 into 20. So 5 4 are 20, 20 into 2 40. तो यहाँ पे 2 0 ऑलरेडी है, हम लिखेंगे. सो काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू 4000 जूल. Okay students, so thank you, and do hard work and do your best and get your best. Have a nice day, enjoy your day. Only practice makes you perfect, so you have to do practice, 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 and solve many numericals and solve many conceptual questions. Thank you.